And hello, world. This is your ML enthusiast, and I'm sharing a video today about a new course that I enrolled in. And I thought that maybe, just give a first impression about this because I've just enrolled it like a few minutes ago, let's say an hour or so. And I wanted to, express my first impressions of this specialization in Coursera and huge hands off to this course. So it's I'll just shift to the screen so that you can also explore along with me. So and right, so applied data science with Python specialization, and this is like literally one comprehensive course that covers all the fundamentals of data science that is required before applying actual machine learning techniques. So this is like a pretty popular course too, as you can already see. Like a lot of people have enrolled, and University of Michigan is like a pretty popular university. So it's I can say that the faculty is going to be worth it, and these are the skills that you gain after finishing this course, and it's an intermediate level course. Basically, what that means is it's not going to start from scratch, teaching you Python programming from like from the beginning, like what is Python, why Python, and all that stuff. So they start forward with functions and then move on with applying skills, and then they'll finally move to the Pandas toolkit and then ask you to do certain assignments. So I've enrolled in this course and I've just started like it's been 2 hours since I started, I think 1.5 hours I can say. And it's how do I put this? It's amazing. Like the starting impression is it's amazing. The instructor is also very good. The speed, the rate of flow, the way he communicates the knowledge is also pretty good. So I strongly suggest that you try out this course. But then yeah, it's a paid one, so you can apply for financial aid though. There's this like, new feature that you can apply for financial aid. So that is you can apply for financial aid, and I think it will take around 15 days. So for yes, to get enrolled into the specialization, and once you've enrolled into the course, you can just jump directly to the course, and you can just go to the course. And this is how I began. This is week one, so you can just, although they just say this is week one and so on and so forth, you can actually finish it earlier. So these are the like the basics that I've gone through and so on and so forth. So I just am waiting to finish this course since I've already have a little bit, like quite a bit of experience in basics of Python and fundamentals. Like my base is good. I can say that, like pretty confident. So and yeah, it's like how do I put this? It's a very, very, very comprehensive course. Once again, I'm saying it. So there's a lot of uh, uh, like it's not cluttered, but it's clustered into different. Oh my God, I became so crazy for machine learning that I've started using those terms for regular expressions. Oh my God. Okay, I'm repeating my programming. Okay, I'm just leave it. Never mind. So uh, this is like literally a very good course, I would say. And I mean, that's my first impression so far. So I'll keep sharing the progress of this course so that you can understand how the course is. And yes, this part of the video is inspired from Daniel Burke. So thank you so much, Daniel Burke, for inspiring me to start content creating regarding my skills that I wanted to learn. If you're watching this video, that is, of course. And yeah, if I pronounced the name wrong, please forgive me for that. And so this is like the beginning of something. So I've so far and so learned the concepts of machine learning and how to apply deep learning, and in a very more coding uh, coding oriented. So I wasn't, how do I put this? Like, I have gained the mathematical skills as well through this beautiful book by MIT called Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow. I'll just, and yeah, there's a book cover on it. So it's a pretty good book. I mean, very comprehensive on the mathematical side of machine learning and deep learning. So it's gives you a very comprehensive overview of uh, how the maths does the job in machine learning. So yeah, it's in that way. And this again, this course is like pretty amazing. So you can, and there are assignments you need to finish, and you need to pass those assignments to, actually get the certificate. So that's what I really like about Coursera, that they really test your skills. You don't just get the certificate just like that, for namesake. So you deserve the certificate, you earn it through your work, through showing your skills to the people. So yeah, and they have a forum also, so you can explore any issues that you face in a forum. And I don't know, but right now I am confident that this course is completely worth it. Like, you should go through it. And yeah, so that's all this video is about. It really helps if you subscribe. And also, this is my first review, so it's like suggestions are always welcome. And yeah, so hit the subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.